Is your Pixel 10 Pro Biometrics option missing in settings after a repair? You're in the right place! We're diving straight into the solutions to get your fingerprint and face unlock working again, fast. First, let's clear your system cache partition. This often resolves minor software glitches by removing temporary corrupt files that might be hiding your biometric settings. Power off your Pixel 10 Pro, boot into recovery mode, select wipe cache partition, confirm, and then reboot. If that doesn't immediately bring back your missing biometrics option, the problem might be with app configurations. Our next step is resetting app preferences. This won't delete your data but will reset all default app settings, potentially revealing the biometrics option if it was hidden by a conflict. Go to your Pixel 10 Pro settings, find apps and notifications, then see all apps, tap the three dots and choose reset app preferences. Confirm, then restart your device. Still no biometrics? Sometimes a pending system update can cause features to disappear or malfunction. Head to your Pixel 10 Pro system settings, then system update, and check for any available installations. Updating your Android version can resolve underlying compatibility issues that affect security features. Finally, if those steps haven't worked, we'll target core system apps. Force stopping and clearing data for Android System Intelligence and Google Play services can refresh their states, often fixing deeper software conflicts that prevent biometrics from appearing. After clearing, give your Pixel 10 Pro one last restart. One of these methods will bring your biometrics back, giving you full control over your device's security once more.